With WeConnect, you can generate leads directly from a LinkedIn post by targeting the users who liked, commented on, or shared it. To get started, head to LinkedIn and copy the link of the post you want to target. You'll find the Copy Link to Post option by clicking the 3 dots in the top right corner of the post. Next, go to the My Contacts page in WeConnect and click the Import icon. You can also import from a post directly while building a new campaign. When prompted, choose LinkedIn posts as your search type. Then, fill out the following details. Paste the LinkedIn post URL. Give your list a name. Choose which types of connections to include first, second, or third degree. Click Save and Import to begin the import. Once your list is created, you can find it on the Saved Lists page under Settings, where you can add contacts to a campaign, segment your list further, or add additional contacts. If you have any questions, start a live chat with our support team. We're happy to help.